Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use United Healthcare Ucard to purchase the products. So you can purchase the products with the help of Ucard online and even on the grocery stores. So if you want to purchase the items let's say online, so you will have to simply go to the merchant's website, and if you don't know the merchant is in the list, you just have to simply click on this link, that is the store finder, and here you will have to simply find the store whether it is in the list or not. You will have to sign in for this with the help of your login credentials, so make sure that you do it. But you will find very popular retailers like Walmart, CVS, etc. So you just have to simply go to their official website, let's say on Walmart, and then you will have to simply add your U card there. At the time of checkout, you can use your U card and you are done. If you want to use it on the store, then you just have to simply go to the store. Again, you will have to check out whether the store is in the list, and then at the store you can simply swipe your card, or you can scan the barcode, or you can even scan your digital U card barcode in the United Healthcare application. So you can use both of these methods in order to basically purchase your favorite products with the help of Ucard. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.